Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss lesson number 14, going to places. This one already we have discussed in the last class, so again I will repeat. I hope all of you knows about means places, about vehicles. Okay, so let's start. We need to go to places for different needs. We need to go to places for different needs. Means we are going to one place to another. That time need any vehicles. Like to buy vegetables, we need to go to greengrocer. Greengrocer means fruit and vegetable seller. Those were selling fruit or vegetable. Okay. So if the greengrocer shop is nearby, we can go on foot. That is by walking. We can go on foot, that is by walking. If the shop is away from our home, far away, we can go by bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw or car. Okay. So we will go to one place to another place. That time need vehicles, means like bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, car, etc. Look at the picture. On foot, this shop nearby our house. That time we will walking go. We can go on foot or that is by walking. Then if that one shop is away from our home, that time we will use bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Okay. Similarly, for going to school, that time we will use scooter, motorbike, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, car, school bus are used. All the things that are used by people, all the things that are used by people for going from one place to another are called vehicles. So what are called vehicles? All the things like car, scooter, motorbike, school bus. So all the things that are used by people for going from one place to another are called vehicles. Everybody underline. Okay. Then next page. Activity is there. Look at the picture. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Tick your answer. Anybody go on foot? Anybody go on by scooter, motorbike? Okay, this one your homework. Then going to far off places is called traveling. This one also underline. Going to far off places is called traveling. Going to far off places is called traveling. So this one also underline. For traveling in city, motorbike, car and bus are used. For traveling in city, motorbike, car and bus are used. These are also used for traveling from one city to another. That time we will go one city to another another city. That time we will use car, train, etc. But for traveling in city, in that time we will use motorbike, car, bus. Okay. For traveling from one city to another, train is also used. In some big cities, metro rail is also used for traveling. Metro rail is also used for traveling. Okay. So we will use vehicles, means we will go from here to another, one cities to another cities, one place to another place. That time different place, according to place wise we will use vehicles. Then next page, page number 68. In villages, bullock cart and tanga. In villages, bullock cart and tanga are also used for traveling. In villages, bullock cart and tanga are also used for traveling. All these vehicles are used on land only. All these vehicles are used on land only. We can travel in air by an aeroplane or a helicopter. So we can travel in air. That time we will go travel in air, means one state to another state, like here to Kolkata, to Mumbai, Delhi. That time we will use aeroplane or a helicopter. Train also used, but if emergency case, that time we will used by aeroplane or helicopter. That one travel in air. Okay, we can also travel on water by boat, steamer, cruise or ship. Boat, steamer, cruise or ship. So this one, so many different type of land vehicles, and then air, after that water. Different places, different type of vehicles. We use vehicles to go to different places. Car, bus and train are used for traveling to far off places. In villages, bullock cart and tanga are also used for traveling. Aeroplane or helicopter is used for traveling in air. For traveling on water, boat, steamer, cruise or ship are used. For traveling on water, boat, steamer, cruise or ship are used. Everybody learn the vehicle's name, like learn the vehicle's name and spelling also. Boat, steamer, cruise, ship. Boat spelling BOAT, boat. Steamer, STEAMER, steamer. Cruise, CRUISE, cruise. Ship, SHIP, ship. Then air, aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane, AERO, aeroplane. PLANE, aeroplane. Helicopter, HELI, helicopter. COPTER, helicopter. After that, in villages, travel we will also use bullock cart and tanga, also used for traveling in villages. So bullock cart spelling BULLOCK, bullock cart, CART, cart. Tanga, TONGA, tanga. Okay. Then train also different type of like train, metro rail and scooter, bus, motorbike, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Every vehicle's name and spelling everybody learn. Okay. Then next page, page number 69. Encircle the right option. MCQ. Which of these can be used for traveling in air? Which of these can be used for traveling in air? Clue is there. 3 clues. Option A, option B, option C. Option A car, option B boat, option C aeroplane. So which one we will use for traveling in air? I hope all of you knows answer. Option C, aeroplane. So answer will be aeroplane. Aeroplane can be used for traveling in air. Okay. Number 2. Which of these can be used for traveling on water? Motorbike, steamer and aeroplane. Which one correct answer? Steamer. Number B. Option B is correct answer. Which of these can be used for traveling on water? Steamer can be used for traveling on water. Then number 3. Where is bullock cart used for traveling? Number A, villages. Number B, cities. And number C, air. So answer will be number A, villages. Okay. Then number B, match the following. Match the following columns. Left side and right side. Left side is here metro rail, bike, boat, aeroplane, helicopter. So which one you match? So number 1, E. Number 1, D, motorbike. Number 1, D, motorbike. Number 2, E. Number 3, C. Number 4, A. Number 5, B. Okay, again I will repeat. Encircle the right option. Which of these can be used for traveling in air? So answer will be aeroplane. Number 2, which of these can be used for traveling on water? Answer will be number B, steamer. Number 3, which is bullock cart used for traveling? So answer will be number A, villages. Then match the following columns. B, 1, motorbike means number 1, D. Then number 2 with number E, metro train. Then number 3, boat with C. Number 4, aeroplane with A. Number 5, helicopter with B. Okay. So I hope all of you learn the question answer also and write in your copy. Then next page, page number C, tick the vehicles which you have traveled in and put the cross of vehicles which you have not traveled in. This one your homework. Page number 70 C, your homework. Okay, so today up to here. Next day again I will continue. Thank you.